Good morning everyone. I am Trupti Arun Bhangi from second year CSC department, roll number 265 from Sri Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering, Solapur. Today I am going to discuss on topic matrix chain multiplication. Matrix chain multiplication is a dynamic programming problem that aims to find the most efficient way to multiply a chain of matrix. It involves determining the optimal order of matrix multiplication to minimize the total number of scalar multiplication. This optimization is crucial for computational efficiency as the order of multiplication significantly impact the number of operations required. Let's take one example on matrix chain multiplication. Here are given values is matrix and dimension. Matrix is A1, A2, A3, A4 and respectively dimension are for A1 5 into 4, for A2 4 into 6, for A3 6 into 2, for A4 2 into 7. We have take for 5 P0 and in 2 matrix we get common term as 4, that is P1. In 2 matrix common term as 6, that is P2. In 2 matrix common term as 2, that is P3, and 7 is as a P4. Then we have the formula. We know the formula of finding matrix chain multiplication, that is m of ij is equal to mean of in bracket m of I k plus m of k plus 1 comma j plus p I minus 1 p k p j, where k is less than equal to k less than equal to j minus 1. And then we know the m of I comma j equal to 0 if I equal to j. For finding these values of matrix, when I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1, then m of I comma j is equal to 0. By using this formula, put in this formula value of I and j. When I is equal to 1 and j equal to 1, both are equal value, then m of I j equal to 0. Similarly, when I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 2, m of I comma j is equal to 0, because here I equal to j, that is equal to 2. When I equal to 3, j equal to 3, then m of I j equal to 3, because here I equal to j equal to 3, so we write m of I comma j equal to 0. So here 1 comma 1 for matrix m of I comma j, when I equal to 1 j equal to 1 is 0. So here m of 1 comma 1 is equal to 0, m of 2 comma 2 is equal to 0, m of 3 comma 3 is equal to 0, m of 4 comma 4 is equal to 0. Here this matrix is I, this is j. For finding the value of 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4 and 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 4, by using this formula we can get value of m of 1 comma 2. Here I equal to 1, j equal to 2, I is less than equal to k less than equal to 1. So k values is 1. Then put these values in the formula. So we get m of 1 comma 2 is equal to minimum of m of 1 comma 1 plus m of 2 comma 2 plus p0 p1 p2. So minimum of, we know m of 1 comma 1 is 0, m of 2 comma 2 is 0. So 0 plus p0 is 5, p1 is 4, p2 is 6. So calculate this, we get m of 1 comma 2, that is equal to 120. By using this formula also we get the value of m of 2 comma 3. Here I is equal to 2, j is equal to 3 and k is equal to 2. So we write 2 is less than equal to k less than equal to 2. So m of 2 comma 3 is equal to minimum of m of 2 comma 2 plus m of 3 comma 3 plus p1 p2 p3. Here m of 2 comma 2 is 0, m of 3 comma 3 is 0, p1 is 4, p2 is 6 and p3 is 2. Calculate this and we get m of 2 comma 3 is equal to 48. Also we have find m of 3 comma 4 by using formula. Here I is equal to 3, j is equal to 4, k is equal to 3. So 3 is less than equal to k less than equal to 3. So k is equal to 3. m of 3 4 is equal to minimum of in bracket m of 3 comma 3 plus m of 4 comma 4 plus p2 p3 p4. Here minimum is m of 3 comma 3, m of 4 comma 4 is 0. So 0 plus 0 plus here p2 is 6, p3 is 2, p4 is 7. Calculate this and we get m of 3 comma 4 is equal to 84. Then also we calculate by using formula m of 1 comma 3. Here I is equal to 1, j is equal to 3. We have to find value of k. 1 is less than equal to k less than equal to 2. Here k is 1 to 2 because k is a range of 1 to 2. So k is 1 and 2. So m of 1 comma 3 is equal to minimum of in bracket m of 1 comma 1 plus m of 2 comma 3 plus p0 p1 p3. This is a value for k equal to 1 and k equal to 2. m of 1 comma 2 plus m of 3 comma 3 plus p0 p2 p3. Put value in this formula. So minimum is equal to minimum in bracket we know m of 1 comma 1 is 0, m of 3 comma 3 is also 0. So m of 1 comma 1 is 0, m of 2 comma 3 already we have calculated m of 2 comma 3. So put 48. Then p0 is 5, p1 is 4 and p3 is 2. Here already we calculate the value of m of 1 comma 2 that is 120 plus we know m of 3 comma 3 is 0, m of p of 0 is 5, p of 2 is 6 and p of 3 is 2. Calculate this we get two values that is 88 and 180. So m of 1 comma 3 is minimum multiplication is 88. For calculating m of 2 comma 4, here I is equal to 2, j equal to 4. Then we find value of k. Here 2 is less than equal to k less than equal to 3. K is in range between 2 and 3. So k value is 2 and 3. For finding m of 2 comma 4 is equal to minimum in bracket m of 2 comma 2 plus m of 3 comma 4 plus p1 p2 p3 comma for value k equal to 3. Then m of 2 comma 3 plus m of 4 comma 4 plus p1 p3 p4. We know the m of 2 comma 2 is 0, m of 4 comma 4 is 0. So 0 plus we already find the value of 3 comma 4 that is 84. We know the p1 is 4, p2 is 6, p4 is 2. Then we already find the value of m of 2 comma 3 that is 48. We know m of 4 comma 4 is 0 plus p1 is 4, p3 is 2, p4 is 7. Then calculate and find the minimum value. Then calculate this, then we get 132 and calculate this we get 104. Here minimum is 104. So m of 2 comma 4 is minimum scalar multiplication is 104. For finding m of 1 comma 4 that is matrix of 1 comma 4. Then here we have 1 is equal to I is equal to 1, j is equal to 4. Then find value of k, that is in range 1 is less than equal to k less than equal to 3. So k is in range between 1 and 3, so k is equal to 1, 2 and 3. For finding m of 1 comma 4, we have formula, that is equal to minimum of in bracket m of 1 comma 2 plus m of 3 comma 4 plus p0 p2 p4 comma m of 1 comma 1 plus m of 2 comma 4 plus p0 p1 p4 comma m of 1 comma 3 plus m of 4 comma 4 plus p0 p3 p4. Already we have find the value of m of 1 comma 4, that is 120. Already we have find the value of m of 3 comma 4, that is 84. We know the p0 is 5, p2 is 6, p4 is 7. We know the m of 1 comma 1 is 0, m of 2 comma 4 is 104, p0 is 5, p1 is 4, p4 is 7. Already we have find m of 1 comma 3, that is 88. We know the m of 4 comma 4 is 0, so 88 plus 0 plus we know p of p0 is 5, p3 is 2, p4 is 7. So calculate all these values, then we get minimum of 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 4 and 158. Here minimum is 158, so we take m of 1 comma 4, that is 158. This is a minimum scalar multiplication. Put all this value in the matrix, so we get these types of matrix. This is a matrix chain multiplication. Thank you.